Hi, Rich Edie with Wild Birds Unlimited in Cypress and on Memorial Drive. One of our big goals at Wild Birds Unlimited is to bring people and nature together. And one of the best ways you can do that is to implement an electronic feeder or nest box in your backyard. Now you might be asking, how is that going to connect me with nature? Well, it allows you to see what's going on at your feeders even when you're away from the house. Both of these camera systems that you see here will allow you to view them live, but also go back and look at history of the birds that have been at your feeder. And not only that, the app will actually help you identify the bird. So in the springtime, if you have one of your visitors come through that's a migratory bird, it'll help you identify it if you're not quite sure what it is. So cameras are great. You can also share these cameras with other people in the community, your family members, kids, grandkids, so they can actually check in on your feeders to see what's going on and what kind of birds you're seeing. And if they have a smart feeder, they can do the same with you. So it's really fun and it gives you guys something to talk about. Another great option for the backyard is an electronic nest box. Why would you want to have an electronic nest box? Well, how these work is if you open these up, and I'll give you an idea. So this is where the birds would nest. And these cameras actually mount right up in the top of the nest box. So you get a view looking down and you'll actually be able to see the birds checking out the nest box. You'll be able to see them build the nest, lay the eggs, watch the eggs hatch, the young getting fed by mom and dad, and all the way up to the time that they fledge. So you really get an up-close personal view of the entire life cycle of the nesting process. So if you're really interested in attracting birds to your backyard to nest, a bluebird box is a very good all-around box because not only will bluebirds nest in it, but chickadees, titmice, and other birds in our area would find it interesting. So again, adding electronic feeders and nest boxes to your backyard is a great way to bring more joy into your lives and with your family.